Hello, students. Good morning, all of you. Today, I, Rabindra Mohan Mishra from Sri Jagdamba Sanskrit College, Batho, am taking the class of Shastri. Yesterday, we have seen what is grammar and what are kinds of parts of a speech. Today, we learn what is noun. Second question is why is in our grammar there is a provision of noun. And third one is what is relationship between noun and pronoun. There are a lot of definition of noun, but we have we see very a small definition so that it is in our memory for long. Noun is the name. That is why we can say naming words are called noun. In Hindi we say नाम वाले शब्दों को noun कहते हैं. Another definition is a word that denotes name of place, person and things is called noun. शब्द जो स्थान, आदमी और वस्तु को के नाम को व्यक्त करता है उसे noun कहते हैं. All these things falls in these three categories: place, person and thing. All these things have certain name. If not, it is very difficult for us to differentiate from person to person, place to place and things to things. We come on the next question. Why is in our grammar there is a provision of noun? हमारे ग्रामर में noun की व्यवस्था क्यों की गई है? If there is no name, we cannot differentiate between the member of even a family. As we know, every child has given his or her name after 6 days of his or her birth. Why? Because we can differentiate between one child to other. In the same way, we are living here in Darbhanga. We want to go another city nearby Samastipur. We find that there is no differences between the location, between the lands. Only there will be differences between the infrastructure. There are differences between the location. Why such things have happened? To differentiate from one location to another, there is the need of noun, name. Even we see the same paddy is grown near about one village and the same paddy in the near about another village, but every village have given certain name so that we can differentiate between these two particular land. Even we see it, there are different eatable items. Every has some name to differentiate. That is why we can say to differentiate DIFFERENTIATE, to differentiate person to person, comma, place to place, and things to things. There is a provision of noun in our grammar. This is the definition. Why is to differentiate person to person, place to place, and things to things. There is a provision of noun in our grammar. आदमी को आदमी से, स्थान को स्थान से और वस्तु को वस्तु से अलग करने के लिए ही हमारे ग्रामर में नाउन की व्यवस्था की गई है. Now the next question is, what is relationship between noun and pronoun? Now question is, what is the relationship between noun and pronoun? Now we see